This is Paul.
Yeah.
Dismissing misdemeanor charge.
Yeah.
Mm. Incompetency restoration treatment unsuccessful. Mm. October 20th of 2016. District Court, City of Sequim is the plaintiff right now. The report of the evaluator, who's a professional person, RCW 10.77.010.
Yes.
Jefferson County, Pouch, June 16th of 2017. At least one of the charges is a serious offense.
Yeah.
10.77.092. Not competent to stand trial.
Ouch.
Inpatient psychiatric treatment is recommended toward improving my condition so his competency can be restored.
Yeah.
The need for forced medication order. Based on these factors, it is my opinion that the probability of restoration would be improved, and the length of time to restoration would be reduced if the court granted judicial authority to treat Mr. Budnick against his will. If the treating psychiatrist deems it clinically necessary. If a pre-admission cell hearing is being considered, the Center for Forensic Services of the Washington State Hospital, Western State Hospital, may assist with providing a psychiatrist review if the case may qualify for such a hearing.
Yeah.
If the case qualifies, then Western State Hospital may assign a psychiatrist to provide telephonic testimony.
Yes.
Testimony. That the serious crimes per se.
Yeah.
Where on June 16th of 2017,
Yeah.
you said I was in Brennan, Washington.
Yeah.
And I was emailing at people at Heidi Budnick's workplace.
Yeah.
When I wasn't. See, an email sent by Mr. Budnick on Friday, June 16th.
Yeah.
Numerous recipients on Friday, June 16th of 2017.
Yeah.
I sent an email to approximately 2,500 recipients that day.
Yeah.
Including people at Heidi Budnick's workplace. I sent an email on June 19th.
Yeah.
That included correspondence from June 16th.
Right now.
Trish Batard. Where I demanded that you remove the protection order that is an issue in this case.
Yeah.
Now, for some reason,
right now,
you seem to think that you can issue a protection order that has a forgery on it.
Suppose.
It doesn't have the petitioner's name on it.
No.
That because Brent Baisden decides to enforce an obligation of mental health evaluation, you don't have to have any due process for me to get actual notice of court hearings.
Yeah.
And then you can fabricate false evidence.
Yes.
Where you say that I violated it. And that you as a
court
have no obligation to remove any known fraud.
Yes.
Because you cannot be held liable for me telling you to remove your fraud because of the fraudulent use of the court system. Now, I want Brent to understand as a Superior Court judge.
Yeah.
Can the state legislature obligate you to have to give testimony during any of the legislative sessions involving any committee or subcommittee? Would it be possible that you would have to testify or give testimony in the Supreme Court of the state of Washington under the oath of admission of being a judge and a Superior Court judge?
Yeah.
Is there an obligation to make sure that every Superior Court judge that does have to say anything to the Supreme Court, that all of them have an obligation to not misprision any felony?
Yeah.
Now, for all of those that went from attorney oath to oath of admission,
right now,
that went from oath of admission to judge,
yeah,
or from those that went from attorney oath,
yes,
to court commissioner, then court commissioner to judge,
yeah.
Does every individual that has to have the availability of testifying in the Supreme Courts of each and every state? Can any of them conceal any crimes? I think it's treason if they do. See, the federal courts can require testimony or testify of any oath of office in this nation in any jurisdiction where they have any knowledge of the refusal to enforce federal laws. Each and every state can require of its individual states. Now, I will tell all 50 of you right now, I'll tell you all 50